The Naval RTS game tutorial. In this walkthrough, I'll show you everything you need to know to command your fleet and achieve victory. Let's begin with the battlefield. The map is divided into 4 quadrants. At the start of each game, your base is placed randomly in one of these quadrants. The enemy base will be hidden somewhere in one of the remaining 3 quadrants. Your first task is to scout the map, locate the enemy base, and defend your own. You control 3 unique types of naval entities. The Jari USV is fast and nimble. The Sea Hunter offers a balance of speed and firepower. The DD-51 is heavily armed and armored. Notice the grayed out areas on the map. This is the fog of war. You can only see the map where your units are present. To reveal new areas and spot enemy movements, you'll need to send your entities out to explore. Remember, the enemy is also moving under the fog, so always be alert. Now let's walk through the controls together. As I press each key, watch how the camera or units respond. Camera controls. Pressing double moves the camera forward across the map. Pressing moves the camera backward. Pressing A slides the camera to the left. Pressing D slides the camera to the right. Next, to rotate the camera, Q rotates the view to the left. E rotates the view to the right. To change the camera's height, R raises the camera for a wider view. F lowers the camera closer to the sea. To tilt the camera, Z tilts the camera up, letting you see farther ahead. X tilts the camera down, focusing on what's nearby. At any time, pressing C instantly resets the camera to your base, so you never lose track of your starting position. Now, let's look at selecting and managing your units. To select a single unit, just left-click on it. To select multiple units, left-click and drag to draw a box around them. For fast selection, you can use the function keys. F1 selects all your units. F2 selects all DDG-51 units. F3 selects all Sea Hunter units. F4 selects all Jari USV units. To assign a custom group, select the units you want, then press Ctrl plus a number, like Ctrl 1. Later just press 1 to instantly reselect that group. Now let's issue commands to your selected units. With one or more units selected, right-click anywhere on the map to move them to that location or on an enemy to attack. For an attack move, select your units, press space. Then right-click your destination. Your units will move toward the location and automatically engage any enemies they encounter along the way. Let's see these controls in action as I demonstrate a game. All of your units are blue and all enemy units are red. Keep a close eye on enemy movements. They can come from any direction, so always stay alert. Be ready to strategize to win. Watch as I demonstrate these mechanics and show you how to put all the controls we've covered into practice. Finally, let's talk about how to win or lose the game. You win if you destroy the enemy base or eliminate all enemy units. You lose if your own base is destroyed or if you lose all your entities. Keep an eye on the map using your camera controls. Scout wisely under the fog of war and combine your different unit types to overpower your opponent. Use the right commands at the right time to control the flow of battle. Good luck, Commander. The ocean awaits your strategy and leadership.